What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Just in my Kartra system doing some major work. Um, and just thought I'd cut a quick video to share this with you guys. This is super important, man. Um, again, information that I just think is super basic and super overlooked. I don't hear too many people talking about this at all. And this is like, dude, without automation in your business, like you'll literally be all over the place. And it blows my mind when it comes to email automation and when it also comes to video marketing. Paid traffic, for example, with paid traffic, and I experienced this about a couple weeks ago. Blew my mind. Actually, and it's happened with so many different people. I'll see Facebook ads, right? Or I'll see an Instagram ad, or I'll see a YouTube video ad, and I'll opt in, and I'll either attend a webinar, or I'll download their PDF or whatever they're giving away, whatever the offer is, right? I'll opt in. And I swear, man, this happened multiple times with some of the top gurus in the marketing space today, where I'll opt in, and over the next couple weeks, I still see their video, and it's the same ad promoting the same thing. And I'm like, dude, I opted in 2 weeks ago. Why am I still seeing this ad? How are they this naive to keep running it? Like it blows my mind. And so that's with video ad, that's with ads, that's with paid traffic. When it comes down to it, with like through Facebook, for example, that's why the custom audiences are so important, because you don't want to keep running ads to people who have already opted into your shit, or who have already bought your shit. They don't need to keep seeing your ads. Same thing goes with email automation. You need to know who is on what list. If someone bought something, don't keep sending them the same emails regarding buying it. And the way that will happen is if you're not segmenting your list and you're not automating your list. So in automations, you have to have this stuff set up. So if someone opts into your list, and let's say, for example, like, let me just give you real scenarios here. This is Kartra automations. Okay, you come into my communications and you click on you hover over communications and you click on automations. This right here is game changing. Like, this right here is just powerful stuff, man, when it comes to making sure that your audience, or your AKA list, are receiving the right emails, are receiving the right information. In this case, they subscribe to book customers who completed 5 steps. Okay. So if they subscribe to that list, unsubscribe them from that list. So if they subscribe to book customers who completed 5 steps, I don't need them to keep getting emails that are set up already in a sequence. I don't need to keep I don't need them to keep getting the emails from the free and paid book 5 steps. Does that make sense? So if customer buys product, if they buy this product, the like 4 days left, if they buy this specific product right here, okay, I need to make sure that they're unsubscribed from that sequence, because that sequence goes on for a while, and I don't need them to keep getting emails regarding buying if they've already bought, right? Super basic stuff. But I'm telling you, man, 9 out of 10 of you guys don't have automation set up. You don't. You guys have probably people getting emails that they shouldn't be getting, and then they're wondering why, and you're wondering why people are unsubscribing, right? Another one, customer buys product. They buy this product right here. Just give me the likes. Automatically, I'm going to unsubscribe them from this specific list right here. Lead subscribes to list. They subscribe to realtor clients, then unsubscribe them to book customers who completed 5 steps, unsubscribe them to book customers who didn't buy course, unsubscribe them from the TSREA scheduled appointments. Okay. This right here, man, is super powerful. And so I have all kinds of automations set up. all kinds of automation set up. And so I'm just in here adding more, and I thought I'd just kind of share with you how I do it and why I do it. And I'm going to set up one more real quick. So if they subscribe, okay, so if the lead subscribes, and there's so many different pinpoints, all of these right here. So lead subscribes to list, if the lead unsubscribes from list, if they're assigned a tag, if they're unsubscribed a tag, if the lead fills a form, if lead subscribes to a sequence, um, so many lead visits a page, lead clicks on page split tests, customer buys product, lead plays video. If they play a video, send them to a specific list. That's like, I'm telling you, man, once you really dive into this internet marketing stuff, this stuff is game changing, like major, major game changing. If they complete a video, then like, look, if I went lead completes video, then I can subscribe them to a list, or I can unsubscribe them from a list, or I can assign a tag, I can unassign a tag, I can subscribe to a sequence, I can revoke access to a membership. Like, I can do so many things, refund order, cancel subscription. Like, dude, there's so many things I can do if they complete the video, right? Lead reaches score, lead completes access level. So what I end up doing all the time is, if I subscribe them to a list, right? So if lead subscribes to list, and this is going to be the list over here. If they subscribe to realtor clients, okay, then I'm going to unsubscribe them. I'm going to unsubscribe them from, let's go down to, I'm going to unsubscribe them from podcast, and I'm going to also unsubscribe them, and I'm going to also unsubscribe them from the appointments. So the appointments. So if I bring them on as a realtor client, then I'm going to unsubscribe them from those lists. Because here's the thing. As I go and send out future emails, whether it's on an email autoresponder, aka a sequence, and they're automatically getting emails over the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, however long I set up that sequence, those are all automated emails that go out to whoever's on, as a list. For example, I don't want them to keep getting those types of emails if I've already brought them on as a client. Okay. So I need to make sure that if they subscribe to that list, realtor clients, then automatically I need the system to unsubscribe them from the podcast list, and I need them to unsubscribe from the scheduled appointments list. That right there, you guys. So when I go run the next email, when I go send just a broadcast email, and again, it doesn't have to be an email autoresponder or in a sequence. If I just want to randomly send out a broadcast email, and I want to send it to everyone on the podcast list, or I want to send it to the people on the scheduled appointment list, and it's regarding scheduling an appointment so I can bring them on as a client and help them, dude, I don't want to send them that email if they're already a realtor client. You know what I mean? So this right here, you guys, is game changing. I needed to do this, and I just thought I'd record it for you guys to share it with you, because this right here has saved me a lot of time. That's why my open rate on my emails are so high. My thank God, but my unsubscribe is so low, because people are getting the right information. If you're on a specific list, you're getting the right information. If you're in a sequence, you're getting the right information. The right emails are going out to you, because I have them segmented and automated, and I know where information is going. Okay, so this is one huge reason why I love Kartra, is because of the automations that you can set up. And then also, yeah, you could track all the analytics, but I'll do all that for another video. But I wanted to make sure that this was set up right, my automations. Let me see if there's any other ones that I need to set up. I really needed to set up this one. That's why I jumped on with you guys. But let's see, lead subscribes to that list and unsubscribe them to that, unsubscribe them from that. Yeah, that's kind of the main one I needed. All the other ones are already set up. All the other ones, I have so many other ones set up. Actually, you know what, Lee? I did set it up right here. My bad. I did set it up right here. So I'm going to delete this one. I can delete it if I did it. If I did it twice on accident, if it was a duplicate, then I can always lead subscribes to Inspired Digital Appointments. You know what? I could let me update this one. Let me update this one. So if lead subscribes to actually, you know what? I don't need that one. I'm gonna actually delete this one. So I can delete it. Yeah, let me just go through these with you guys real quick because okay, so lead cancel subscription to calendar, unsubscribe from list. Perfect. That's a good one. Okay, and actually, you know what? I also set it up right here. So let me delete this one. I set it up twice. So what I just did right now, I actually already had them set up, but it's fine. I'll leave it at that right there. So let's see what else. Just give me the likes, unsubscribe. Okay, realtor clients. Let's and then if then and right. So I have 3 of them set up over here. If I wanna delete one, I can always do that as well. So I can come in here. I can delete that last one. Let me delete this one because I already have it. I already have it set up. So I'll delete that one. Let's hit edit. So this is I'm just cleaning up stuff now. I'm just cleaning it all up, and making sure that these are all okay. So lead assigned course students and unsubscribe from book customers who didn't buy course. Perfect. Subscribe to list. That's automated. Okay, so let's delete this one. Register for like ad class. Let's delete that one. Okay, so I can edit this. Let's delete that one. Because I changed around a few tags. I changed around a few lists. So that's why you see some of them blink like that. So I'm just cleaning them out. Okay, perfect. So customer buys product, they buy the book, subscribe them to list, unsubscribe them from the abandoned cart, assign tag. Okay, got that. Got that. Okay, so we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay. So many different ways you can set up automations, you guys. And I'm telling you, man, this is why I love Kartra. This is why I love Kartra. So if you haven't set this up, if you don't have automations with whatever software you're using, man, you're missing the boat. You're missing the boat. And those of you that have email autoresponders, you have Get Response, you have freaking SendLane, you have MailChimp. All those automations are set up in that as well, so you have automations and all these other email softwares. But again, the reason why I love Kartra is because it's all in one. Like, it's all in one. I don't have to go to multiple different services or log into multiple different platforms to make everything work. I have literally everything in this one software, man. My landing pages, my digital products, my shopping cart, my freaking membership course, my video hosting, my calendars, my affiliate marketing. Everything is set up through this one software. So if you haven't tried it out, man, there's a 14-day trial. There's a link in the description and a pinned post in the comment section. So try it out, man. Profitwithkartra.online. Set up your automations, and when you set up your 14-day trial, reach out to me. Comment below. Let me know you set it up, and we'll schedule a free strategy call where I can jump on and literally help you from A to Z set up your entire system. So click the link below, you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Set up your automations. I'll see you soon.